Happy Monday morning guys. Ito, magbe-breakfasting ko ng bread lang walang palaman ng akin doggy. Actually, hindi namin to aso. Diyan lang siya sa tabi-tabi because diyan lang siya. So I have also the right to feed them. Masarap na food naman kasi it's breakfast time eh. So, papakainin ko siya outside. Here guys, ayan na siya. Waiting na siya guys. Oh, you eat bread na. Kanyang breakfast in the morning. Ayan. Askal yan. Nandiyan na siya sa labas. So, I have to feed him this dog also. Siyempre, diba? Be kind to animals. And animals will be kind to you. Okay, enjoy your breakfast. Wala lang palaman yan. That's all for the day guys. O, diba? Waiting na siya. Come on, continue eating. Later, magtatawag na ng kapwa doggy niya. At uubusin nila yan. That's all for the day. Bye, everyone. Have a safe day. Bless us, O Lord, and thank you for all the blessings.